We're live din po sa Star Cinema. Say hi lang po sa mga viewers natin.
15 na, February 15.
Ayan, of course.
Hi rin po sa mga viewers natin sa live.
Kita-kita tayo sa parking lot.
Hello everyone!
Showbiz, bebe. Showbiz.
Hello everyone! Hi guys!
Hello po sa nanay ko, nanonood po.
Okay. Giveaway tayo. Tayo may dyan yung bida.
Kung nag-iba yung ano mo.
Ken, Liza. Liza.
Okay, good evening everyone. Welcome to the
Dito ba,
grand media launch of Star Cinema's official Valentine movie, My Ex-Wife. This is, of course, this Ken. And of course, this is the first time that we're doing a movie with Director Garcia Molina.
No, para alam mo lang.
Ayan, can we clear now the front area so we can start?
Thank you guys. Liza.
And of course, the members of the press, you may occupy the seats now.
Liza, one solo.
Romel, let us sit down now.
Hi, Liza. Ken, one solo. Thank you.
Liza, Ken, we're live in Star Cinema.
Hi everybody! We hope you guys look forward to our movie, My Ex and Wife. Showing really soon, 14 days na lang po. Happy!
We're live po sa Star Cinema.
Hello! Live? Live! Hello!
Alam ko na miss ang list din, utang na inside, una. Okay, good evening everyone. Thank you for coming. The followers of Late Liza Sobrano and Miguel. I want to hear from you. Thank you for gracing tonight's media launch. And of course, our members of the press, from the entertainment blogging community, from the TV entertainment crew, thank you for coming. And settle down now as I introduce. Please watch the making.